Hello everyone, this is Trev Gott from Marquee Insights, and today I'm going to take you through a first look at the two big changes that were announced by Justina on the Power BI blog. I'm really excited about these because we've been waiting for this for a while. And the first one I'm going to talk about is really the ability to filter my goals on the scorecard. This is amazing. I mean, it's been something that as you start to use it, you go, why do I have to see all this stuff? So for example, I've got an example scorecard here. I've got different statuses, and I've got a completed one. Do I really want to see a completed? And realistically, on track, I probably don't care about that one as much. So what they've done is they've made these cards at the top clickable. So if I want to see at risk, that's pretty cool. I can click one. If I click behind, I see that one. But you want to know what's really cool? If I do control click, I can click two of them together and just see those statuses that I want to see together. And so it's all good. And then just simply clicking again unfilters the status. The other big change that's been made is the ability to have automatic status setting via rules. And the way to get to that is you essentially go to more options here and you go to details. And then you'll notice here that this has been changed a bit. We now have details, we have history just like we had before. We had settings, which a lot of people I think missed, but we have the ability now to set our tracking cycle here. So if I want to set this on Mondays, we can do that. That's awesome. That's been there a while, but again, people haven't seen it. Status rules. Now here's where the cool stuff is going to occur. So if I come in here, I can say basically something like this. So I can say if the value or the date, so I can do either, is greater than or equal to or greater than equals something like this. So if I do less than or equal to, and I can put in a value or I can use percent of the target. So if I do something like this, where if it's 33% of the target, I can change the status to say at risk or something like that. I can add multiple conditions. So I can have a value and a date that says if the date is on or after, and say I said by 10/01, 2021 here, or not 12, what's the date? 2021, there we go. It just kind of blew up on me there. All right, let's do this one more time like that. So say we say September 30th, like that. And so essentially, if my value is under 33% of the target and it's on or after this date, then it's at risk. And actually, I can make anything. If I need to add another rule, so I can say if the value is greater than or equal to 66%. Let's do that. In fact, let me change this because it's going to clear my field. That, and add another condition, and do date is on or after, and then I can do 09/30/2021. That, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to make this one at risk, and I'm going to make this one behind. Otherwise, everything's cool, right? Sounds like a plan. Go ahead and click save. And so now, anytime the data underneath this goal is refreshed, this rule will be triggered automatically to set the status, which is pretty cool. And so now when I do my check-ins, I don't necessarily have to worry about setting the status. It's going to be done for me using these rules. I think it's pretty awesome. Hopefully you like it too. If you like what you're seeing, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, please let people know we're going to be doing a lot more round goals on this blog. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.